I am delighted to be in the magnificent city of Ashgabat, where the serene beauty of its white marble pleases the eye and the warmth of its people touches the soul. For this landmark meeting of the International Forum on Peace and Trust. Although it is my first visit to this great country, but I do not feel like a stranger here. The spirit of Turkmen hospitality, Mehman Atadan Olu. A guest must be shown the highest respect, sometimes even more than to one's own family. Indeed makes every guest feel at home. His Excellency Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, Muhammadov, national leader of the Turkmen people, and His Excellency Sardar Berdimuhamedov, President of Turkmenistan, are brothers to me and enduring pillars of Pakistan-Turkmenistan friendship. I wish to take this opportunity to felicitate the leadership of Turkmenistan on the 30th anniversary of its permanent neutrality and on the success of its initiative for designation of 2025 as the International Year